Alright guys, short little video here on how to install RFScan or anti-cheat for the Duel in the Desert. If you have a legitimate copy, you paid for it, you bought it, you have a code, this is the one you want to download. If you have a cracked version of rFactor, you need this one here. You can click on it, it'll come up. They're both really small, they're EXEs, they're foolproof. They're going to download, click on it, run the EXE, and you'll watch the rFactor folder on the right over here. That's where it's going to install to. See, the RFScan came in. It gives you this folder. It also throws one plugin inside the plugins folder. You're going to want to go into the RFScan folder. You can see there's an EXE here, and you want to run that application. Going to give you the window here. Select your driver name. See, mine is in there. It's the only one I use. For it to show up in here, there's a couple of issues we've been having. One is if you have a user account control, so Vista or Windows 7 is using a virtual store where it doesn't go directly into your rFactor folder, then you need to click this box here. I don't have that, so I'm going to leave it unchecked. My name shows up. If you've done everything right to this point and it's not the UAC that's the problem, you need to go into your rFactor folder, user data, and then you'll see that my driver name is the same as my folder name. Inside that, the PLR file here also has to match the folder name in order for it to show up for the RFScan. Thanks to Ricky Thornton Jr. for figuring that out. That's the biggest reason I found that people can't find their driver name. Once you have your driver name and all this set up here, you can see where everything goes. Before you guys go into race for any of our events, if you guys are practicing, you don't have to run it, I don't care. It's just for the events that you have to turn files in for. Probably a good idea to practice coming in through rFScan so that you guys don't accidentally not come in through it. You're going to start rFactor from here, this window. I don't think you guys will be able to see it pop up in my Fraps video for some reason. Just know that you come into rFactor, you can go online, you can go offline. I'm just going to go hop on the track real quick so you guys can hear it. So you guys can hear that I'm in rFactor, you know, revving up the engine, whatever. When you guys are done racing then, you just leave the game, come back to the window here, and you're going to send log. Okay, click the file that it just recorded. Okay, you can see this one just happened. You can open that file. It's asking you here if you want a copy of the email that you were about to send me. If you want a copy, put your email address in. Otherwise, click cancel, and then it's going to ask you if you want to send it to DirtLateModelSim@gmail. Click OK. You'll see that it says it's sent to me. This is going to be required. This is all you guys have to do. It doesn't affect anything else. It just sends me the files through that email address, and it'll show up in my email. Then you guys are done with it. When you guys are done racing, you'll have a couple of minutes to send that to me. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped.